In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Brother Work Smart MFC-J1360DW printer in case you're having issues, or maybe you want to sell it and you want to delete all your personal information from the printer. So the first thing, make sure that the screen is turned on. If not, simply press the OK button over here. And then you're going to press the settings button. From here, you're going to press the down arrow until on your display you have Initial Setup highlighted in blue. Then press OK, go down and select Reset. Press OK, and now we have multiple choices. So you can simply reset the network. If you select network, which means the Wi-Fi settings will be resetted, but all the rest of the things will still stay on your printer. It's not a factory reset if you select network. If you want to do a full reset, you need to select all settings, press OK, and as it says over here, machine will reboot after resetting. Press the right side arrow for 2 seconds for confirm. So all you have to do, I won't do it now because I don't want to reset my machine, but you're going to press this button for 2 seconds and everything will be deleted, everything will be wiped out, and the printer will be like a brand new printer after it reboots itself. So it will shut down, the screen will go completely dark, and then power by itself without you having to press anything. Usually it takes less than 30 seconds, so it's quite a quick process. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment and comment down below. Tell me it worked. And if you want to support my channel, don't forget to check my Amazon links in the description to get some ink from Amazon, or maybe even some paper or a brand new printer. Every time you go through my links, I get a very small commission, and it helps supporting my channel without you having to pay anything more than usual. See you in the next one.